Hello, and welcome back to Nexus Mind. Today, we're diving into the world of budget smartphones. We've handpicked the top 5 budget smartphones of 2024 that promise great features without a hefty price tag. Let's get started. Unboxing experience. First up, we have the Galaxy Comet X1. Let's see what's inside the box. Show the unboxing process, emphasizing the packaging and what's included in the box, like chargers, earphones, etc. Design and build quality. The Galaxy Comet X1 has a sleek design with a sturdy build. It feels comfortable in hand, and the finish is quite premium for its price. Next, we have the Pixel Aero 5. Briefly showcase the design and build quality of each phone. Display brilliance. Display quality is crucial. The Orion Spark 2 offers a vivid Full HD Plus display. Great for streaming and gaming. Discuss and compare the display quality of each phone. Camera capabilities. Now, let's talk cameras. The Nova Edge Plus has a triple lens setup that performs surprisingly well, even in low light. Demonstrate the camera quality with sample shots taken from each phone. Performance testing. Performance-wise, Zephyr Ultra packs a punch with its latest processor and 6GB RAM. Perfect for multitasking and casual gaming. Discuss the performance, including processor speed, RAM, and gaming capabilities. Battery life and charging. Battery life is a deal-breaker for many. The Galaxy Comet X1 leads with a 5000 mAh battery and fast charging support. Talk about the battery life and charging capabilities. Unique features. Each of these phones has something unique. Like the Pixel Aero 5 seconds AI-driven software optimizations. Highlight any unique or standout features. Final verdict. There you have it, the top 5 budget smartphones of 2024. Each brings something unique to the table. My personal favorite, it's a tough choice, but I'm leaning towards the Orion Spark 2 for its all-around capabilities. Give a final verdict and personal recommendations. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which one of these would you pick? Follow us on social media for more tech updates. See you in the next one.